Let us explore about unique constraints. Unique constraint on a column will prevent that column from having duplicate data. It will allow values that are unique, and if we try to insert a value which is already in there, then this constraint will prevent that insertion. But it will allow null values. In fact, it will allow multiple null values if needed. And remember, a null is not equal to another null. The equals to operator doesn't work on nulls. Okay, let us create a table with unique constraint. Create table cons1 col1 number constraint cons1 underscore uk unique. Here I am specifying a constraint name called cons1 underscore uk. This can be any name. I am also specifying the type of the constraint by using the keyword unique, meaning that it would be an unique constraint. Table created. Now let me insert a null value. It works. Verify it. Done. Let me insert the number 1. Works fine. Let me insert another row with value 1 again. It fails because there is already a 1, and inserting another one will violate the uniqueness enforced by this unique constraint. But let me insert the number 2. It works. Verify. What about I insert one more null? I know there is already a null value. It works. Verify. It works as two nulls are not equal to each other. So the unique constraint allows null values, but it preserves the uniqueness among the non-null values. Let me drop the table. Thank you for watching this.